Hey guys, NV here, and we're back for yet another text effect. Can't help it. Apparently, I'm on a craze. So I'm gonna go straight into Photoshop. I'll tell you what. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go. I don't know why I keep doing that when there's a create new here. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and create a new document. Now that we're in Photoshop, I'm gonna go ahead and type out another font here. I'm gonna call this Halloween, and I'm gonna probably make this about 180. Let's just see what that does. Oh boy. Yeah, that works. And gonna see even it with a document, just like so. This font, I do apologize. This is a purchased font, so I can't really I'm not gonna share this font. You'll have to go and buy it. So what I want to do is scroll up to a good font that is available and you can get for free through Adobe Fonts. Um, so I'm just gonna cycle through some of these. That one's actually really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and even this. This looks very Tim Burton too. It's very, very cool. Very cool font. I'm just experimenting with this real quick. Okay, I like it. And what I want to do now is change the color to this to say, well, not that, and that's just ugly. Something like that, maybe. That's pretty cool. I'm thinking about changing the background actually. The color, I mean. So let's just, there we go. That looks better. I'm just gonna put that in a folder, Alt Shift. I'm gonna call this BG. I'm gonna leave it black, and I'm gonna double click on that one, and delete it. Okay, because we'll create another one if we want to do another one, which would be a white. And we'll just drag that in there as well. I want to grab the black one though and move it up above the white. So we'll say BLK and WHT. Okay, so there's our font. I'm going to duplicate that font. Actually, yes, I'm going to duplicate the font and holding Control, tapping the close bracket key on your keyboard to move it underneath the top text. Right click, convert to Smart Object. What I want to do is go to Filter, Blur, Radio. I'm sorry, um, Radio Blur. I want to set the quality to best, and I want it to spin. So I'm gonna make this about 15 because I want to see what it's gonna do. I'm not sure, and if we like it, we'll keep it. And all I'm trying to do is create a really cool looking effect. And I'm going to change the color to this so it looks a little bit more better rather than just being orange. So let's select like a blood red almost. See how that looks. Not too bad. It's pretty cool looking. And we could change this color as well if we wanted to. Uh, Kind of gives it an old fashioned look. It's a very cool color, actually. I really like that color. I most oftentimes use an off looking color, you know, like a reddish orange almost at times rather than actual red, something like that. I like that better. And I'm basically, this is about the spin effect, that effect behind the text. And I think that looks really cool. I did choose a fun font, obviously, so it's not quite as eerie. I could have used an entirely different font that would have given it an entirely different feel. But I like the font. I thought it was pretty cool. And if you haven't noticed, that's the font I used, Professor Minty, I think. Pretty odd name, but whatever. So, yeah. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys this because it's fun, it's easy, and it does its job. It creates that real, the anticipation of Halloween. You got that blur. It's really cool. It's a neat, simple effect. It's very easy to do, as you've seen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'm going to go up to File, Save as always, and I'm going to go ahead and name this Text Effect 4 and save. And I'm going to save it as an image as well, JPEG, and save. And that's it. Again, that's a pretty cool little effect, though. I like it a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. And until next time, I will see you guys in another video.